All right. Stage left. Everyone.
Being an actor in Philippine theater, however fulfilling, can be a financial challenge. Having a day job is an option, but for our guests, they found it outside the theater and entertainment industry. Welcome, EJ Pepito, Gary Hunsay, and Pam Imperial. We talk about the artist experience of juggling corporate work and their love for theater. From sideshow to Pinkian to going home to Christmas and of course, Himala. Join our episode for Korpo sa Umaga, Teatro sa Gabi, Girlies!
Teatro sa Gabi.
Welcome!
Hey, thank you for
Actually,
having us.
damang-dama ko to kasi damay-damay to eh. Lahat tayo, Korpo. Sobra.
Kaya pagpasok pa lang natin, ramdam natin.
Pinag-uusapan lang kasi natin to, tapos ginawa mo ng podcast.
Sobrang
So, sure.
Hindi kasi, kung makikita nila, nagchika na kagad, walang introduction. Kasi yung itsura natin nung shoot, di ba? Like tayo, yung tipong,
Laging nasa laptop.
laptop.
Yes, totoo.
Call na actors. Okay.
Okay, taga.
Okay, bago
Actors
tayo
on
magsimula sa chismisa natin,
Go.
let me give you the chance to introduce yourselves.
Ladies first muna.
Ladies.
Ladies first, sabi biglang gano'n. Joke.
Go Pam.
Hello, everyone. Wow.
Wow.
Thank you for having us. Ayan, okay. Welcome, everyone, listening and watching Sage Left podcast.
Yes.
My name is Pamela Imperial. I am a theater actor. And also, yung day job ko, I am an editor for the Philippine Star. My section is the property report. So, ayan ang...
Usapang lupain.
Oo, usapang lupain.
Oo.
At saka mga business homes and way of life ng mga Pilipino. So,
Yes.
yun ang two worlds ko.
Yes. Let's go.
Yes,
Okay.
let's go.
I like that, Kiki. Let's go.
Hi, I'm... Takpan mo braso ko.
No, flaunt it.
Good morning.
No. Okay.
I'm EJ Pepito, theater actor. And sa umaga, I'm a commercial bid manager. So it's writing proposals, sales support basically for a BPO. So yun yung...
Sa umaga literal, kasi
Literal
madaling
siya,
araw.
Yeah. As in like 5 a.m. to...
Wow.
Fun times. Yeah, fun times, pera. Over to you.
And last but not the least,
At sabi ng earring.
the thorn among the roses. Hi, I'm Gary Hunsay. Theater actor by night,
Yes.
medical doctor by day.
Yes. Let's go, medical field.
Yes, medical field po. Ang inyong lingkod, I work for, pwede ko bang banggitin yung company? Oo.
Hindi naman ako sikat enough to be
Ay, hindi
restricted
ko
by
nasabi yung
brands.
BPO ko, pero hindi ko lang.
So, I'm a doctor for Marie France and for De La Salle Sobel, the school physician.
Yes.
So that's my day job.
Yes. So, buo ang team talaga natin ng Himala kasi may doktor, may nurse.
Yes. Kompleto ang medical team ng Himala.
Oo, kapag may emergency, tulog kami.
Ma'am.
Correct. At hindi lang medical ha, may fire pa. May
Sino?
fireman. Yun ang basa sa atin.
Ay, wala pala.
May fire
Kompleto.
tayo.
Winet talaga kami ng mga
Oo.
firemen eh.
And more
Anyway,
days.
simulan
And
na
more
natin.
And more days!
Okay, so diretso na tayo dun sa first
sorry.
question.
Okay.
This is the first question I always ask to all of my guests. How did you get your start in theater?
Go, Pam.
Ako ba?
Kahit sino,
Sige,
any.
ako na.
Okay, go.
The how of it is pretty simple and straightforward. So, 10 years ago, I was already a working girl. 4 years na into the workforce. As a corporate girly, I took up a summer workshop for adults, musical theater by Repertory Philippines. And then it started, yun na yun, nag-snowball na from there. I really took up the workshop kasi I needed connections. I didn't know where to start.
Tama.
So parang, okay, let's get into this. And then true enough, yun. The whys of it is different, but yeah, anyway, let's go.
Go. Anyone else?
Me, I started from elementary. But
Wow.
no, because I ever since I was a kid, I loved music. So I loved to sing. I was part of the choir from elementary up until med school. And then, workshop din.
Oh, saan workshop?
Saan?
Pero this was the Trumpets Play Shop. The first ever Trumpets Play Shop in Alabang.
Wait,
Under...
naging magkaklase ba tayo? Teacher Doc Freddy?
Yeah,
Teacher Freddy?
Teacher Freddy. But that was advanced class
yes,
na.
yes.
That was a few years later.
Connections, oh.
Yeah.
Kaya nga eh.
So I started, I think, 1998, something like that. So, nainggit kasi ako sa mga co-intern ko na nag-play shop sila and then they invited me to watch their showcase. So, parang nainggit ako, sabi ko, teka lang, kaya ko yan
Totoo.
Diba?
Kaya mo talaga.
Professional na.
So I joined the first ever play shop na workshop in Alabang under Menchu Lauchenko Yulo. And then, so lahat ng mga kasama ko, mga bagets. So from 13, tapos ako yung pinakamatanda, 38, 37 at that time. Tapos, so we did the showcase and then, fortunately enough, Tito Odi Himora was in the audience. Because that was the first ever Alabang Play Shop showcase. So he was there and then he asked Menchu to call me to invite me to become a part of Joseph the Dreamer, the run in Meralco with Gary Valenciano in 1999. Because they needed somebody who's tall to become a guard.
Guard.
Bagay.
Tama.
So,
You're an actor eh.
yeah, sabi Tita Menchu called me.
Nakaka-straight yun, ma'am.
Manly.
Tita Menchu, straight pa ako, medyo straight-ish pa ako noon.
Oo, straight, hetero-flexible.
So, I got a call from Tita Menchu and then was asking what I was doing. At that time, I was still applying for residency for Makati Med for pediatrics. Sabi ko, wala pa naman akong ginagawa. Sabi, you want to join Joseph the Dreamer? Because they needed somebody. Sabi ko, yeah, sure, ganun. So, that's how I got started.
Yes!
And then from then on, ayan.
Puro
snowball
professor.
na.
Oo, snowball na. Yes, Pam. I'm excited to hear this.
Interesting na talagang a lot of actors talaga nagsastart with workshops.
Yeah.
Kasi ganun din,
Yeah.
parang I remember, parang nung nagkukwento kayo, nga pala, doon ako nag-start sa mga workshops din. So, ngayon ko lang naalala kasi actually kahapon ko pa iniisip, saan nga ba kami unang nagtrabaho ni Doc Gary? Ayun nga
Tito
pala,
Freddy
Tito
Santos,
Freddy,
yeah.
parang I had the workshop. Magkakasama tayo sa
Yes,
Alabang din. Si
Alabang.
Direk Freddy Santos pa yung namin.
That
yung
was a
teacher.
masterclass.
Yes, naalala ko yun. So, ngayon ko lang naalala
Yeah.
nung kinukwento mo. Nga pala, so workshops, panay workshops with trumpets. Tapos I also had a workshop under Teacher Sweet Plantado Kyongson. So siya yun din yung naging,
Hi, Teach.
Hi, Teach.
Hi,
Dahil
Teach.
kasama namin si
Hi,
Mrs.
wifey.
Alva. Yes!
Ay,
My
wifey
wife.
Si Mrs. Alba. Oo.
Yan, nakakamanli yun.
Kasama namin nga pala sa isang himala. So, she also became one of my teachers. And siya din yung actually parang one of the parang key persons why I was able to start professional theater. So, noong time na yun, I think it was, parang I was doing parang in-out kasi I in 2006, I was part of Repertory Philippine Sound of Music. So, I was one of the nuns. Tapos parang mag-work. Tapos, nung 2009, ako talagang nag-leap into parang, muna ako. Meron akong period din na talagang, sige, I'm gonna leave corporate life and go full-time.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
2009 yun. So, parang, I was working corporate. I was working with a production company. And then, ang trumpets noon was about to go do Little Mermaid on a cruise. On a cruise. Yun. So, parang 2 months. So, yun yung talagang big leap of faith ko na. So, I resigned from my job and then I got si Teacher Sweet kasi yung nagsabi na sa Little Mermaid kasi ng trumpets, there's a character called Cristacia who's played by Sheila Francisco.
Sheila.
And since it's a 2-month long show sa boat, kailangan ng cover. So si si Teacher Sweet Ozono said na diba, she needs a cover, so maybe Pam can do it. So talagang nung na-receive ko yung news na, okay, you're part of the cast, you're on some, and then you're also cover. Sabi ko, okay, magre-resign na ako. And then, yun, so jump full-time into theater. So yun yung, I think that was 2009.
Wow.
Ayun, 2009. Yun,
So
nag-jump
in short,
full-time
ang
ako.
common denominator nating tatlo is
Workshops
workshop.
talaga.
Oh,
So,
ako din naman. Sa PETA.
Yes,
Sa PETA din.
yes.
Creative Musical Theater on Start.
Oo. So for those, kasi marami rin ako narinig na for those
How do
who,
you start?
how do you
No,
start
how do you
talagang
start?
workshop?
Yeah.
Workshops talaga siya.
Yeah.
Because not only do you learn the basics of theater,
It's networking, guys.
it's also
Yes.
networking.
You get
Oo.
the
That's
contact.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
True.
how you know
Oo.
where the auditions are.
That's
Yes.
true.
To look
True.
for.
Oo.
Totoo. At saka yung, doon mo nakukuha yung lakas ng loob to audition. Kasi at
Yes.
nakakasabak ka ng tipong, okay, naka-perform na ako. Baka kaya ko na talagang ganyan,
Oo.
ganyan.
Totoo.
Pero ako curious ako, like, what made you decide to stay in your corporate work? And how do you find the balance?
What's that?
What's balance?
Kapag nahanap nyo na, pakisagot ako.
balance.
For me, it wasn't, I really can't get rid of my day job kasi pinaghirapan ko naman yun.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am,
Many years in
doktor ka.
medical
Oh,
school.
yeah.
Nag-aaral naman ako for 10 years, di ba?
Parang
So,
ang dami, ang tagal.
Oo. So, parang I salute you na you were able to give up the
Okay.
For a time. Yeah, yeah.
For a time, yeah. I could never do that, honestly, because I love doing both jobs. No?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a challenge kasi financially hindi naman ang teatro. I mean, let's face it, hindi siya hindi siya
Hindi talaga.
nakabuhay, 'di ba? So that's why you have the day job, no? But kasi minsan you can't help it na parang tinatawag ka rin minsan ng teatro na parang kailangan mo ng mag-perform, di ba? Parang there's something innate in that. And then pag nandun ka na, tapos nagtrabaho ka na, parang gusto ko nang bumalik sa pagiging doktor kasi nakakapagod. Tapos hindi siya masyadong financially rewarding, di ba?
True.
So parang gusto ko na so parang alam mo yun, pag nandun ka sa medical work mo, parang nami-miss ko yung teatro. Pero pag nandun ka na naman sa teatro, parang
Walang
nami-miss ko
pera.
na yung walang pera. Balik ko tayo ulit
Kaya
dun
walang pera.
sa pagiging doktor.
Gusto ko kumain sa labas.
Oo.
Paminsan-minsan.
So, ayun.
How about you?
What was the question? Okay.
Balance. Do you have
Actually,
it?
So, related to Pam's story, I did actually also try to jump in full-time.
Mm-mm.
And then I got injured.
When was this?
So, okay. So, I did the workshop 2014. Did a play with Blue Rep with EJ Yatko.
Yes.
My first full production with Ateneo Blue Rep.
Anong
In the
production to?
Heights.
In the Heights.
That was Abuela Claudia. So, around that time, while I was rehearsing, while having a job, I decided, you know what, I'll do full-time. So I did. I resigned in the middle of the run. And then, nagturo ako sa trumpets for the summer. Kasi yun talaga,
What show for trumpets?
not show, nagturo ako. Nagturo. I became a teaching assistant. So yun talaga nangyayari kasi I met someone, Abby, in the Heights. Siya yung
Abby
nag-connect
Sulit.
sa akin sa trumpets.
Yes.
Diba? So,
Yes,
doon
yes.
so nagtrabaho ako for the summers. I had money kahit paano. And then it was around that time because I was sort of in the door na sa theater. I heard about auditions for Tanghalang Pilipinas Mabining Mandirigma.
Yes.
Audition for it. I got it. So, first professional. Yes! Ganang-gana ako. Towards the end of that year, I auditioned for PETA. The Stars in the Sun. I got in. I got a feature role.
Oo.
And then right before opening night, so early 2016, I got injured.
Oh no.
I fell doing a stunt. Kasi it was medyo action.
Yeah,
ano, it
action
was,
film ng Three
It's
Stars.
futuristic.
to!
Futuristic.
Dystopian.
Dystopian. Something.
Tapos, and that was my only source of income.
Yeah.
And then I fell, had to go to the hospital, had to go through physical therapy. I couldn't do the show until like last 4 shows na. So, yan. So, sabi ng universe, bumalik ka sa corporate girl.
Hindi kaya.
So, no. So, yun.
no.
So, true enough. Balik ako ng
So,
corporate.
may balance. Like, how do you manage the balance?
So,
of
yung
it?
sa akin, in terms of the corporate jobs that I choose to apply for, parang hinahanap ko rin kasi talaga flexibility.
Yeah.
And I'm so fortunate. I acknowledge this naman na I'm very fortunate in the jobs that I managed to find na would give me that flexibility until now. Like kahit ibang job na to, ganun pa rin. Kasi again, part ng requirements. Ako talaga yung may requirements.
Alam mo, bakit hindi? Employees
should be able to... That's what I want from my life.
Yes,
So parang,
employees should have that agency.
yeah, so parang hinanap ko talaga yung, is this job gonna be able to give allowance for me to do something if I feel like I want to? True enough.
Yeah.
So, I actually retired from the stage 2019.
Yeah.
Doon tayo kasama first time sa Trumpets KT. So that was my swan song ko, no? Tapos biglang nag-pandemic. So parang hindi rin naman naramdam ng mga tao na nag-quit ako kasi lahat naman wala.
Wala ng teatro for you.
Na first quit lahat. So parang ako, yung drama ko, wala. Hindi na naramdaman yung absence ko.
How about you, Pam? Like, where's the balance and why did you decide to stick with your corporate work?
Ang nakakatawa, parang nakadalawang retirement period na ako.
It comes, it goes. Kanya talaga, tinatawag ka talaga.
So parang di ba nagsabi ko, nag-full-time akong theater. Tapos, so pagka nag-full-time kang theater naman, hindi man ibig sabihin no, na full-time theater ka kasi marami kang jobs.
Yeah,
so theater, tapos yung
racket,
marketing, racket mo, marketing
mga corporate
background
events.
ko, nagano ko production work. Actually, yung memories ko nga here, parang I also used to, nag-PM din ako for Channel V nung time pa na yun.
Wow, Channel V!
So Channel V!
Sa mga nakikinig, ang Channel V.
May Channel V pa po
Wait,
nun.
nauna ba ang V sa Mix at saka sa MTV?
Oo, international V. International ang V.
MTV, Channel V, and Mix.
So parang, yun yung mga yung mga nag-PM for Channel V,
If I'm not
Knowledge
mistaken,
Channel.
Channel V is Star.
Shocks, hindi ko na maalala.
Under Star
Ma'am,
Channel
PM pa, hindi mo
na
alam.
Southeast Asia.
Yeah.
Ang Channel V ay under Star Channel.
Yes, oo.
Ang tanda. Ang tanda ng Star.
Ang tanda, guys. Oh my God.
So,
Okay.
meron pong ganun. No. So, kaya ang dami kong memories. Alam ko, nagsushoot pa kami dito dati dito sa Cubao Expo. So, anyway. So after that, so yun yung naging ko. So, parang I was doing full-time theater, meaning parang you juggle so many things.
Yeah, that's what it means, guys.
Pero juggling so many things also means parang figuring out how to make sure that you have a regular...
Yeah, being very financial insecure.
So, parang kailangan mo. Tapos dumating lang yung point. So, parang... I listened to your interview with Vic. So I also went through a period na kung saan I went through a challenging time then because I was part of the cast na pumuntang Singapore. And then, So yun yung naging trigger ko for my first retirement. So I
was supposed to audition for that.
Oh gosh.
Singapore is so infamous.
So,
I didn't push through kasi
event
parang...
and Philippine theater.
Good so it's so yun parang yun yung
Dami nyo kasi.
madami.
Ang daming affected.
Madami.
Yeah.
So parang yun yung naging trigger ko for my first retirement. So I did my first okay, I'm gonna let go muna. I'm gonna do corporate. Pero same din na parang ang hirap siyang bitawan.
Yeah.
So I would find myself na parang I was doing a work for a training company, but at the same time hindi ko makalimutan I would suddenly go back to teaching. Kahit teaching, so I would teach for
Adjacent pa
trumpets.
rin.
Parang
may theater outlet ka pa rin.
Kailangan meron siya. So
Totoo
and I
yan.
would do community theater also.
Sobrang totoo yan.
I did shows with Jaime Del Mundo for a chancel repertory. So talaga yung mga things that I always wanted to keep on doing. So ayan, tapos nung sabi ko, okay, wait, I wanna try again. Kasi magpa-freelance ako ulit. And then the pandemic happened. Freelance ako ulit. And buti na lang, I was able to do Danny Girl ulit. And then Himala. And then Himala with you guys.
For Sandbox din,
Tapos
nag-Himala 2019 tayo.
Yeah.
Then after that,
Pandemic.
kaya lang pandemic. So, nung nag-pandemic, bumalik ako ulit sa I need to, parang my dad got sick pa noon. So, parang minsan yung may mga decisions that causes you to parang, okay, I'm gonna let go of theater first kasi may mga parang priorities, obligations. So, parang yun. So, I went back to full-time corporate job. Pero ganun talaga eh.
Yeah.
So now, I'm in my job
Sobra.
na...
But you know what? I read somewhere na parang hindi lang naman parang dito sa Pilipinas na gano'n.
Oh, yeah.
Parang
Yeah.
there's this article I saw on Facebook na parang there was this guy who was an accountant by day and then he does yung monkey sa Wicked.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Flying
sa
monkey,
gabi.
one of the flying monkeys.
He was one of the flying monkeys sa paggabi. But he was an accountant
Yeah.
pag
In the
umaga,
morning.
in
Oo.
the morning.
Actually, marami pa.
So,
yung isang in-invite ko din si Vien. Villanueva ba yun? Basta si Vien. Banking siya if I'm not mistaken
Wow,
eh.
okay.
So parang,
Oo.
hindi tayo magkakalayo.
Yeah.
Ikaw, is there balance?
It's hard kasi my schedule is pretty much solid from Monday to Saturday. So my schedule is I work on Mondays from 9 to 7. 9 in the morning, 7 in the evening. And then 9 in the morning until 9 pala in the evening. And then on Tuesday it's from 7:30 in the morning to 7 in the evening. Pag Wednesday, Thursday,
Gusto ko yung pwede ka nang
9
hangin.
to 7.
So guys,
Alam mo na,
ito yung
diba?
schedule niya.
Pwede ka na yung schedule ko.
Consultation
ganito
hours
talaga.
are-
Teka, ito pa. Pag Friday, officially, 7 o'clock in the morning to 9 in the evening.
Ma'am, are you alive? Wait lang.
So, tapos pag Saturday, 4 hours work lang. So, pag may show or if I'm doing a show, I usually go on leave. So I file a vacation leave for one company, and then the other kasi is no work, no pay. So I don't get paid if I don't go to work.
Nakakaloka.
So
You
it's
give
a
up the-
sacrifice
yeah.
for me. Or ginagawa ko, I work in the morning until kunyari, usually naman rehearsals in the
Gabi.
afternoon,
Yeah.
diba?
Totoo.
Hanggang gabi. So kaya pa. So yon. So I used to do that. It's hard kasi you have to use up all your vacation leaves.
Yeah.
Sometimes yung sick leave.
Yeah.
Yung sick
Nakaschedule.
leave kasi
Nakaschedule yung sick
Buti hindi
leave mo.
nagtatampo si Habi.
yung sick, alam naman
Wala
ni
ba kayong
Habi.
bakasyon na?
Pero, alam mo na,
wala na daw.
nakakaawa
Sorry.
yung asawa ko kasi lalo pag may show, di ba parang
Yeah, pag
Monday
may
to
show talaga,
Sunday.
ganun.
Totoo.
Wala.
Tapos he works kasi for a bank, no? So ang schedule niya is gabi rin. So minsan hindi kami nagkikita. Nagkikita lang kami pag weekend. Tapos pag weekend may show ka pa. Yung ginagawa natin, hima natin pag gabi na siya. So,
Totoo.
ang sweet naman niya, siya naman sumusundo sa akin. So,
Yes.
Ganda. Haba ng hair.
Naon ng buhok.
Wait, so I understand.
Yeah.
Baka naman kasi mawalan ng gana yung mga
Ay,
tao,
hindi,
no?
But, di
But
naman.
is there,
Oo.
just to end on a high note, is there naman anything that corporate gives to you aside from the
Money.
chance to be aside from money, what did you learn from corporate, or what did the corporate experience give to you that you employ when you're in theater? What learnings, what skills, or aside from pera, opportunity, ganon. So anything top of mind na makes it worth it, kumbaga.
For me, it's parang hindi mo for me, parang both my life as a theater actor and as a corporate individual, para siyang it works hand in hand. So ako parang the professionalism that I get, or parang that I'm able to build as an editor, I'm able to bring, parang nagkakaroon kasi ka ng confidence. Iba yung confidence mo rin when you're in your work, environment, that you get to bring with you when you're doing theater. At the same time, parang my life, yung puso ko as a theater actor, nadadala ko rin as a professional. Parang marami nga nagsasabi before with my parang different work environments. Parang marami ako narinig lagi nagsasabi, iba ang theater actor na nasa corporate. Parang iba ang
Yes,
iba
because
ang
we get
dating.
things done, you
Get
guys.
things done.
You get things done no
oras.
matter what.
Sobrang.
Your work ethic
Oo, yes.
as a theater practitioner,
Yes.
when applied sa corporate,
Oo.
my God.
Oo.
And vice versa. Kasi also, parang yun, tama yung sinasabi ni Pam. Like, magmi-mix talaga siya. Like, dealing with people.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Yes. Oo.
You deal with all kinds of
All
peoples and
kinds,
all kinds of
all kinds.
personalities.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
Really strong ones in theater,
Yes.
but also in
Totoo.
corporate. So parang, it's a magandang ano siya.
I wanted to add also kanina, parang when you were asking us about balance, kasi recently I heard somebody talking about, na sabi niya, alam mo, it's not, I forgot who it is, pero somebody was talking to me about,
Comment.
it's not, comment kung sino yung nagsabi.
If you're watching
Sino
this
nga ba?
episode, comment. That was me, Pam.
Parang, it's not, sometimes, ang sabi niya, you know what, maybe it's not about work-life balance. It's about work-life integration.
Oh, wow.
Parang
Smart
feeling ko,
yan.
parang na-realize ko, oo nga, work-life integration.
Parang
Na I feel
hetero-flexible lang yan.
Parang, parang totoo.
Pero talaga yun. Pero talaga yun. Parang hetero-flexible lang yan.
Ganito na lang ha, mag-drinking game tayo. Tuwing maririnig nyo yung hetero-flexible, shut lang kayo! Okay na yun! Diba?
Pero tama. Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun.
Nung when that person talked about, sabi ko, oo nga, no, kasi even to, I mean, for those who are listening, kasi nga, even if you're not a theater actor,
Yeah.
pero ang totoo naman, all of us have to try to balance
Yes.
Yeah.
something,
Yes.
ang work natin with our family life,
Yeah.
which is really difficult.
Yeah.
Pero sabi nga, parang maybe it's not about trying to figure out paano ko ba ibabalance, pero how to make everything work together.
together. Yeah.
Totoo.
Integrate together.
Yeah.
So parang maybe it's that mindset shift. Para at least parang you won't be so hard on yourself na bakit ba hindi ko nababalance. Pero
Right.
is that parang figuring it out,
Yeah.
how to make
I
things
think,
work.
Kasi parang, okay, like me, di ba parang may kahit na may shows tayo, usually sa umaga, you turn on your corporate hat.
Brain,
Di ba?
yeah.
Yung brain
Yeah.
mo, iba yung mindset mo doon.
Yeah.
Tapos pagdating sa gabi, parang iba na naman yung...
Yeah.
Kasi magpa-perform ka, so iba na naman yung
I think
mo.
it has a lot to do with also knowing yourself.
Yes. Oo.
Like definitely like knowing kung ano yung limits,
Limits mo,
mo,
yes.
yung
Oo.
ano
Yeah,
mo.
yeah.
So parang,
Totoo yan.
Oo.
and you get that when you get older, guys.
Yeah.
So don't worry.
Kasi I agree na
Yeah.
nagkaroon na ako ng rules
Right.
na personally
Yeah,
na
yeah.
tipong pagdating ng alas 10, oras ko na to.
Yes.
Wala nang
Yeah.
kakausap sa akin, maglalaro ako ng Valorant. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Mga
You
ganun.
make those pockets of
Yes,
time.
oo.
It has to be intentional.
Yes,
Hindi ka
oo.
pwedeng, kasi it's gonna eat up at, I mean,
Oo.
grabe yung,
Totoo, ma'am. No, sa mga chikahan pa lang natin.
Ako naman in-explain ko sa husband ko na parang alam naman niya na I love doing what I'm doing. It's sabi niya, alam mo pag may passion kayo with what you're doing. Sabi niya parang hindi niya mapigilan kung ano yung ginagawa ko kasi alam niya gusto na
Mom,
So I
Umiiyak siya.
alam naman niya yun. So I love you. So hindi. So pag wala na yung pag natapos na yung show or pag may time kami, we usually go out. Nagmo-malling na lang kami.
Yeah.
At saka kayo, Doc, ikaw usually, you get one show a year, tapos the rest of the time, you take your time for yourself.
Yeah.
Like for this year, I don't have any show. So, it's more of yung corporate work ko. Pero hindi. There's still some form of theater-ness. We might say,
And
involved in my
you
work.
take it everywhere with you naman. It
Totoo.
doesn't
Because
leave. Yeah.
Now, parang in this, parang sa work namin, parang we're required to parang to do commercials now. So,
Oh, wow.
diba?
Okay.
Nakita ko yung video. So, if you saw the commercial,
Nakita ko yung
Hanapin, guys.
na video.
yung some people were saying na parang
Featuring.
natural lang. Sabi ko,
Well,
well, that's
yeah,
because
'cause
of
I'm
my
an
theater
actor.
background. That's
Totoo.
cheddar.
Pero grabe, iba na rin talaga yung demands ngayon, pati sa
Yeah.
corporate
Yeah.
work. Pero I'm sure pati sa theater, nag-iba na rin yung demands. But before we talk about that, we have to take our time to
May
thank our
commercial ba?
sponsors.
Sponsors!
So,
Thank you,
for our partners. Maraming salamat.
Love
And
you.
we will be back. BRB!
Wait, yung mga bata ngayon, paano na?
Ganyan, no? Ganyan.
Yan!
Ganyan. Okay.
We'd like to thank the following partners. Clieg Studio Self-Photo Studio, the first self-photo with cake decorating concept in the Philippines. The studio is open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mondays through Thursdays and 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. from Fridays through Sundays. Sunnyside Sound Productions. All of our partners are located at Cubao Expo, Quezon City. Now, back to our show.
And we're back.
And we're back.
Ma'am, co-host na talaga siya.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Alam mo, nag-audition po ako for co-host. I'm
Yes,
available
ma'am.
for weddings, funerals, bar mitzvahs, and hetero-flexible.
Hetero-flexible parties. And ano.
Dalawa na yun. Hetero-flexible yung isa. pangatlo na.
Pinipili talaga kami.
Pinag-usapan natin kanina was your corporate work can be demanding.
Oh, yeah.
Pero especially nga,
Yeah.
nagko-commercials ka na ngayon. Pero if you've, I don't know if most of you have noticed, pati yung marketing ngayon for theater, medyo demanding na rin. Kasi you have to do guestings na, and a lot of guestings, podcasts. Tapos you also have to do like your own content. Your own marketing is doing a lot of content. Kasi ang dami ng plays ngayon and performances na talagang kaagaw mo sa online space. So my question is, with the amount of legwork required now to sell tickets, like, paano kayo? How are you coping?
You take it one day at a time,
Yeah,
man. Like, kasi if you think about everything, wala. Malulunod ka. So, take it one day at a time.
Totoo.
Hindi naman,
And I think you can, you can ask naman nicely na hindi ako pwede because I have work sa marketing, no? Parang, kasi can you work around this schedule kasi meron pa akong work. So parang, baka pwedeng i-adjust, ganon, or yun, parang ganon. I remember Pam and we were doing Rent. We did a radio show eh. Do you remember? Tayong dalawa yun eh.
Okay.
Like
Yes,
in Paragon.
Ano yung radio?
Ano yung yes?
It was
Actually, before
it's
radio
not that-
guestings
yeah,
were
radio
the thing.
guesting, yeah.
Yes.
Grabe, radio guestings.
So we were there. Tayong dalawa yun eh for Rent. And then pinakanta pa nga tayo nun eh. Seasons of Love ang
natin si
kinanta.
ano, ay,
Dalawa lang
dalawa
tayo
lang
nun.
kayo?
Oo, dalawa lang kami no.
Duet na si
Tapos paano namin kakatayin yun, di ba? Kasi parang, tapos mataas pa yung yung
Oh,
solo
yung
ng
solo
guys.
guy.
Early
Hindi ko naman
morning
alam
din
yun.
yun, no?
Do you remember that one? So I had to
Grabe.
take a leave of absence for me to do that. So yeah.
Grabe, nakakabaliw. Pero you guys still participate in the, like, yung mga TikTok.
Pagka ina-ask minsan, pero ang galing sa, at least for sideshow, alam mo, I wanna say, I'm amazed
Congrats on
talaga.
Sideshow.
Congrats.
A lot of good, great reviews.
Thank you. Parang part of, I think, what made sideshow great. I wanna say, kasi parang I was away from theater for 6 years before I went back again with sideshow. And amazed ako with how yung marketing and PR now of different theater companies, sideshow included there. Grabe,
Snaps.
amazing yung content. Parang how they really work to make sure yung parang your algorithm, pumapasok sa algorithm mo yung content ng...
Yun yung mga considerations
Yun yung
nila
mga
ngayon
things
na
na para-
grabe.
Para amazing.
Sa
At
inyo,
saka
guys.
sa dire-diretso, laging they're always building content.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
For me, siguro as a corporate woman, girly, na I was very grateful naman with the marketing PR team of Sideshow. They would ask, and parang they would only ask and make sure
You're
you're available. Tapos, I think it's really more of, parang on my end, it was really more for pagka they'll schedule it pag may rehearsal. So, for example, parang yung TikTok sa
Itaon mo yan,
merch,
nandun na kayo.
itataon.
Yeah,
oo.
tama,
So, they
tama
make it
naman.
they make it very convenient for you. Tapos, yung mga other things, like, also grateful for pagka mga products, o yung mga, parang what the sponsors also provide. So, doon kami, parang, yun yung what they ask for help with. So when they, for example, yung mga sponsors yung aming wonderful coffee sponsors and sa makeup. So yun yung mga things na
I think, sorry to cut you off, pero I think if you really are invested in the musical, you really love what the show, the people you're with, tapos the production is treating you nicely, you know, parang it will be parang
Bukal sa loob.
Yes.
Parang it doesn't feel like work for you. It
True
doesn't
naman.
feel like
And
additional
it
work
never
for
has
you.
actually. So, yung question mo about how do you do it, kasi parang I don't think the burden is on us naman as the
Yes,
actors. It's really on the marketing team. And
Marketing,
tama yung
yes.
sinabi ni Pam. Shout out to our marketing na
Yes,
si Sai. Like, talaga gagawa, yung content namin literally pag biglang may break sa rehearsals or rehearsals mismo and then they're gonna make something out of it. Like, they're very creative with it.
And kaya nga sila yung kaya nga sila yung unang guest
The
ko
new
for the
yeah,
season.
yeah.
Marketing and PR
I
is
love
my
that
first
episode.
episode.
Also, yes.
But,
Shout out Sai and Bea.
I haven't been in a production na parang, recent production na parang, yung marketing na parang, ganun na yung trend. Kasi, kasi sa Himalaya, hindi naman tayo
Hindi
ganun.
pa.
Hindi tayo ganun.
Wala pa.
Oo, pero
Imagine,
grabe
talagang-
hardcore na sila this
Ngayon.
year.
Ngayon, parang
yeah.
yun na yung pinupush
After
nila.
the pandemic, grabe
Because
talaga.
it's a theater renaissance. I mean, we're thankful for that. Pero oh my God,
Pero
yung
my
agawan ng
God.
audience.
And we,
And kasi, the shows are not cheap ha. The tickets are not
Yes.
cheap.
Yes.
So, plus we're in sort of a crisis right now. So, we're in the middle of
binabaha
a
tayo ng
crisis.
problema.
So,
yes.
you are more cognizant of how you spend your
Exactly.
hard-earned money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba? So, parang, like yung kalaban nyo, Into the Woods. During
Yes.
during your
sideshow,
run of sideshow, Into
Tapos
the Woods
pareho
ang
kaming-
nila. Yung yung katapat. You're in the same venue halos.
Same venue, oo.
Kasi,
Same-
diba,
same
it's
mall.
Oo,
it's
same
a
mall.
power back.
Same-
Tapos
Oo.
nandito lang yung Into the Woods, diba? Pero may advance sales kasi ang Into the Woods.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi sila na problema.
Hindi sila na problema.
Yeah.
Plus, of course, they have Lea Salonga. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a no-brainer.
She's the draw.
I mean, that's,
Lea
diba?
Salonga among others.
Oo.
Kasi,
Yes.
like,
So, may-
oo.
paglabas pala ng ticket, sold out na kaagad.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, so, yeah.
Parang what I wanna say, parang in relation to that, parang, so definitely amazing ngayon ang marketing and PR of theater companies. Pero for me, the audience also now, they're
Yes.
amazing.
Yeah. Oo,
That's
oo,
true.
Ibang parang
Engaged sila.
They're
Yeah.
engaged.
They're
They're engaged. At saka parang, I think part of parang what makes parang being a corporate person, parang being in theater again, especially at this time, exciting. Kasi nakikita mo yung parang iba yung audience, especially the young,
Yeah.
yung sa young audience
Yeah.
now. Tsaka parang ngayon sa social media, parang na-amaze na lang ako sa amount of usually kasi before definitely yung reviews of the
Nasa
yung sa
broadsheet.
mga sa broadsheet, definitely
Sa
we're very
newspaper,
grateful for that. Pero iba rin yung pag nakikita mo,
Kasi
yung
it's instant.
yung instant,
Yeah.
tsaka yung mga insights na mga nanonood. Kasi that makes you, yun yung
Binavalidate yung ginagawa mo.
vina-validate. Tsaka parang puts value to you the work that you do. So,
Because the objective is always to send, give the
so,
message.
give the
diba?
message. So, pag
Yeah.
nakukuha nila yung message ng show. Tapos as talaga minsan makikita mo na lang ang daming stories kasi they'll talk about, example for sideshow na yung messaging namin was about parang taking a look at yung others in society. Who do you look at as freaks? Tapos,
How would you define
how would you
Yeah.
define freaks? Magugulat na lang kami minsan sa, parang for example, if somebody watched and then may mga stories, dun sa mga stories nila, babasahin mo talaga yung mga stories kahit mabibilis lang yun. Kasi nandun yung
May
mga
text
learning,
eh.
may
I know,
text.
right?
Tapos
Text
may
box
mga
talaga.
yung mga learnings talaga nila na talagang minsan kami parang wow, ang galing ng ano nila.
Totoo.
So, parang
Ripple effect yung
Ripple
theater.
effect,
Because you
oo.
can't control that.
We've all witnessed that during Himala.
Totoo.
Yung live na show natin ng Himala, di ba?
Yeah.
It was, for some people, it was life-changing. For Direk Pepe Diokno, it
That's
was
true.
It was also life-changing for him kasi it parang motivated him to do the movie, di ba?
Yeah.
And parang to get the message more broadly across
Yeah.
Pero
everyone.
speaking of Himala, we also had our own like press tour
Oh my God.
during that time.
during the movie.
During the
Hindi ako
movie.
participate.
Ako rin, not so much.
Say, the corporate
The
people.
corporate people,
Oo.
not so much because number one, that was December. It was a
Yeah.
busy time. And
Oo.
I think I was also doing Going Home to Christmas. So
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Going
yeah,
Home
yeah.
to Christmas ka na
Oo.
dyan.
So
Double
medyo,
buck,
medyo,
fist
oo.
bump, and
So
blast.
we were doing shows. So nagsasapaw yung
Yung press tour.
tapos yung show.
Ay,
And
oo.
then plus the fact na Shogod na kasi
God.
galing shooting tayo noon. At wala na akong leaves noon kasi nauubusan
kasi
na ng
pa
shooting
nauubusan.
tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Because I had to do
Busy
going up to
schedule.
Christmas
Yeah.
pa. So, that was hard. Pero, masaya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
At saka
mean,
you participate naman as much as you can.
Yes, oo.
Hindi naman sa parang
Yeah.
ayaw mong gawin.
Yeah, oo.
It's really just,
At saka
ano yung...
sa Facebook, di ba, pinopost naman natin.
Oo,
yung,
yeah, yeah,
But,
yeah.
but that's what I love about social media now. So as corporate, parang corporate
Girlies.
parang yun ang mahirap din sa atin kasi nung with Isang Himala, parang minsan it's really hard to participate na with other marketing
The
or
press
PR
tour.
Yeah,
efforts. But what I love the fact that there's social media, so there's really content that even if you're not physically there, you can
Oo.
keep
You can
promoting
yeah,
pa
yeah.
rin.
Promote.
Totoo.
And keep pushing. So
Yeah.
yun yung that's what
You do
I
what you
love.
can.
At
Yeah.
saka, hello, nandun tayo sa awards night. So,
Hindi ako nakapunta.
Wala ako nakapunta.
Wala din ako.
Wala
Wala din
ka.
ako.
Tayong
I
dalawa
got
lang, Ma'am
sick.
Sheila,
Pero
I
nandun.
got sick.
But
We
I
walked
love, that's
the
why I
red
love
carpet.
sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nasa ano ko noon, nag-family trip kasi, ano ba yun? December 25
Yeah,
ba yun?
December
This is
28.
28.
28.
So nasa, parang nag-family trip kami noon. So me, my mom, and my sister nasa Hong Kong. Nasa ano kami noon? Nasa
Hong Kong Disneyland?
McDonald's. Oo, Hong Kong. Nasa McDonald's kami. Tapos nung nanalo si Kaki, nandun kami tapos, umiyak ako.
So, ako
kasi
nasa
galing.
hospital.
What happened?
That's when I discovered yung sakit ko.
oh no.
So, parang may ready na yung damit ko. Ready na ako. Tapos biglang, cannot.
Sayang. Pero okay lang.
Pero,
Nirapan
wala.
naman namin for you
I know,
guys.
guys.
It was amazing.
Well
Represented
represented. Thank
tayong
you
mga
so much.
hetero-flexible.
True.
Natulog naman ako.
Pero, oh my God,
ano?
doon mo makikita na tipong grabe, yung mga corporate girlies, yung mga may ingay. Yung mga theater corporate girlies, ang ingay namin.
Ang ingay ng table natin.
Kasi, you know,
ang ingay ng
Hindi pala
table.
talaga siya noisy event.
Ganun lang,
Formal, proper event siya. Mga ganyan-ganyan.
At syempre, bilang chatro tayo, na
Pag may na-nominate.
project ang voice, di ba?
Apologies to the
Lalo na nung
award-giving
nanalo si
body.
Nung nanalo si Kaki,
Ay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
tumakbo kami.
Ma'am, sumisigaw ako mag-isa sa hospital.
Oo.
So, grabe talaga yung...
That was an experience.
Yeah.
True. At saka nilaban natin yun.
Nilaban
Kahit
talaga.
may trabaho.
Correct.
At kailangan ilaban. Eto, pero yun nga there is a culture with regards to theater that we bring everywhere. Not just in yun nga, in awards nights, but also we have
Yabang-yabang.
hindi kasi ang ingay talaga namin nun. Pero we also have a culture of that we might be bringing to our jobs, in our day jobs. So, pero yun nga how do you keep grounded when half of your life talaga is devoted to corporate life? Like, how do you keep grounded in the theater community? Kasi iba para talagang magnet. Parang may talagang gravity ang
I think it's the chat groups.
Yeah, the chat groups are alive and well.
Himala, di ba? Parang yung group natin hanggang ngayon, buhay pa. So,
True.
I think that's one. And the friendships that you develop.
Yeah, it's
through,
really genuine friendships
Genuine
kasi are
friendships,
developed in
yeah.
productions. Like, hindi mo maiiwasan yon. Trauma bonding.
yung trauma bonding nga doon ng mga
Trauma
taga Singapore,
bonding,
magka-friends
diba?
na sila.
Diba?
Sobrang close.
Are the strength that we
Yeah.
that
Hubby always asks me parang yung ang galing nyo, no, you are parang after you do a show, you're all bonded. Parang magkakaibigan na kayong lahat. Sabi ko, it's a shared experience kasi.
Yeah.
You're with these people on a weekend when you're supposed to be resting. And then during rehearsals,
Na hindi
nasigawan
lang
na kayo
weekend.
ng director, nasigawan na kayo ng lahat. Di ba parang, so parang doon pa lang magbaband na kayo. Di ba?
And theater is always community building.
Yes, it's community
I
kasi.
mean, as far as my productions have been,
Yeah.
you build that production together. So parang lagi talagang after the show,
Plus, there's this shared
Ano talaga kayo?
love for what you're doing.
yes.
O kasi
Diba? Yung shared love
dinevelop
for
nyo
the
siya
music.
Yeah.
oo.
From the ground up. So, shared experience talaga yung tipong baby namin to Etong run na to, baby namin to
Yeah.
Ganon.
And for me, nung nasa second retirement na ako before, din, parang how did I keep myself grounded? I think when I also parang made the commitment na I will watch theater. Para, yun nung,
Yeah,
I remember nun kasi there was a time na
If you
parang,
can't participate,
if you can't participate, you
support.
you support.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pero parang naalala ko nun kasi parang, so, nag-retire ako kasi tapos of course mag-iisip ka ng finances, yun yung mga concerns mo. But then parang may tatawag na parang, wait, tas you'll hear about Pinky Ann. Tapos everybody's been talking about it. Sabi ko, wait,
May
I think
inggit ka.
may inggit ako. Tapos at the same time, parang I wanna watch it. Ano yung what is everybody talking about? And then I watched Pinky Ann last year. Tapos yun yung
I have
talaga.
yet to watch. Happy and I have yet to watch
please
Pinky
dare
Ann.
Oh my
you,
God.
Doc.
Please
How
watch.
dare you? So
Alam
I
mo?
just said about
Please
genuine
watch
relationships and
Pinky Ann.
friendships.
Sa October
And
ba?
then-
Shit po. Pero sa October
yung ano,
15. Hanggang October 15 ang Pinky Ann.
Hanggang October 12 lang
Ay,
po. Wala
wala pa 15.
Oo.
Bilang hetero-flexible. October 12 daw. O, hanggang October 12 pa
But
naman.
ano talaga?
Go, ma'am. Manonood kami. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Please watch. Ako talaga, every time I see people na, have you seen Pinky Ann? Have you seen Pinky Ann? Kasi it's such a, I think what keeps me grounded in theater, especially, is really the work that people produce
Yeah.
in theater. Nalalo na pagka nakita mo na how much love and how much parang yung message is, how valuable the message is.
Mhm.
Doon ka parang hindi mawawala sa yung pagmamahal sa teatro kasi nakikita mo yung value of the work that
Yeah.
is being produced and is affecting people. I think that's what keeps me
Which is the
grounded.
artist's role.
Oo,
Totoo.
yes.
It is the role of the artist to do that.
Oo.
Para-
At saka, grabe yung there is a shared joy
Yes.
when
Yes.
you see your
Yes,
friends. Like,
yes,
nung nanalo
yes.
kayo nung best musical, ma'am, umiiyak ako sa gawan. I was in the audience, tipo, ang galing nila. Tapos nung nanalo si Vic,
my
parang the
God.
crowd went
si Vic.
crazy.
Yeah.
Kasi like, na
Si Vic
it's
Robinson
there-
na in-interview mo, please watch that podcast.
Nag-audition
Ma'am,
talaga siya.
ma'am,
Ganda rin ng episode na yun.
Naku, si Vic is very hetero-flexible.
Ay, hindi. Rizzy would like to object that. I got you, girl. I got
Sorry,
you.
Rizzy.
I got you, girl.
Yeah. Ito
Official
bilang
kabit.
Ilan na marami na.
Official kabit.
Official kabit. Pero yun nga, again, it's that I'm guessing the groundedness that we feel with theater kahit na nasa trabaho, day job ako. Yun nga, it's the shared love of not just the community but the things that they build, and you appreciate how much hard work they put into it kasi pag tinignan mo parang ang ganda. So parang yun nga, I feel yun yung isa din. Sinagot ko yung tanong ko, basically.
Thank you so much for answering your own
Tama.
question,
Yes.
Jello.
So, diretso na tayo sa next question. Oo.
Appreciate you.
Bilang
hetero-flexible. Tinano, sinagot yung
Lasing na ba
sarili
kayo,
tanong.
guys?
True.
Ma'am.
Uy, lasing na ba kayo?
Ma'am. Ayoko na. Matulog na.
Ito na.
Marami na
Before I give you space to promote whatever. Ay, ikaw lang ang pinaka-active na mag-promote.
Sila na yung nag-promote eh.
Mamaya.
Sila na yung nagpo-promote. Thank you so much.
Hinay tayo. Stuff the car.
Oh.
Okay. So,
Stuffed it.
okay. So, do you see yourself sticking with this dual life na kasi at the end of the day we mentioned nga na theater life is hard, being an actor is not financially stable, not financially rewarding, but we get our rewards everywhere else eh.
Dopamine hits.
Dopamine hits, that's true. And ito talagang realidad na ginagalawan natin ngayon. So, sorry sa mga kiddies. Huwag kayong mag-alala. It's rewarding.
You're young.
Oo.
You can do it. Your bodies can do it.
True.
Kaya pa yan.
May stamina pa kayo.
Kaya nyo yan.
Promise.
Hindi namin kayo tinatakot na mag-theater.
Oo.
Pero, where do you see yourselves? Wow. Interview. Where do you see yourselves in 5 years? Where do you see this dual
Alam mo,
life?
Kuya Boy,
Ito ang salamin.
ito ang salamin.
Nag-audition talaga.
Ma'am talaga.
Ayan na. Parang feeling ko, season 6, no?
Ma'am.
Happy, sorry. May bago
May
akong
bagong
trabaho. Love it.
Pero yun nga, like, is this something that you see moving forward? Parang ito pa rin talaga muna. Ganito muna tayo.
Funny you should ask that.
Oh no.
Baka mag-second retirement din ako.
Papunta ka na ng second retirement.
As much as the heart wants to continue, the body really doesn't.
Gets.
Yeah, the aches and pains are
Yes.
real.
Totoo.
As an old. Pero, hindi, like, I still want to do it for sure.
Yeah.
But again, you have to know yourself.
Yeah.
I think you have to be choosy with your projects.
You have to
na
be choosy with your project. So again, deliberate intention.
like chorus line. Diba?
Ma'am, sayaw yun.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
No, pa.
Diba?
Yes.
JM.
But, no, yun nga. So parang, pick your battles.
Oo, pick your
Kumbaga,
battles
like,
na lang.
gusto ko sumali sa chorus line for dancerist.
Yeah.
Sure. So yeah, pick your at this age, deliberate ako. So like, yung plans ko actually right now, wag muna,
Yeah.
After Pinkian, you mean?
after Pinkian, wag muna, magbabayad muna ako ng mga kautangan. That's the priority for next year.
True.
And then, balik. Pag nakabayad na.
Totoo naman.
Reality lang.
True.
Yeah.
That makes me think, no, parang what, so, siguro for parang before I parang talk about what I want, siguro parang what I want to say is, if you're young, parang when pahabang bata ka pa, push.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking of now, kasi
Yeah.
push, and also mga ma-learnings ko as I am an older person.
As an old.
Older person. Parang push but also be wise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Be wise, parang but what I love now about the younger generation, yung mga sa Gen Z, they're very financially wise, tsaka they know para I
Sana
don't
all.
sana sorry, maraming but like yung mga
Sana all.
things na parang marami
Yeah.
akong narinig ni Gen Z na they know how to where to put their money, or
How to
Yeah.
invest.
Good for
how to
them.
invest.
Yes.
Na there are opportunities now na parang
Na wala
sa atin,
wala.
Yeah.
So, and also
take
parang
advantage.
I feel like this generation is more, at least even if it's very difficult, in a very difficult time, more financially literate.
Yes.
Yes.
So, ako, I believe if when you're younger, go. Parang if you want to push for it, go for it. But also be wise. Kasi yung mga things na I wasn't wise. When I was kasi talagang
Still not.
kakapit So, parang go for it.
True.
Ako naman, I do it parang with relation in relation. Kaya ko pa.
Oo. Di ba ikaw yung nasa dyaryo?
Your editor brain
Di ba
is
ikaw yung
working.
editor?
Wait lang.
Wait, ine-edit ko sarili ko. Tama ba? So, parang ako iniisip, kasi nakadalawang retirement na ako.
Pwede naman
Pero
maging
parang
tatlo. Wala
pwede
nang
tatlo.
pipigil.
Pero
Problem.
Pero feeling ko now, parang when I was listening to the question, feeling ko, maybe I will keep on. Parang feeling ko, maybe parang hindi ko na siya siguro i-label. Parang I feel like hindi ko na siya matatanggal na I have these two hearts talaga inside
Gets.
me. Kasi parang hindi, I love theater so much. And I really believe na parang what theater does benefits any work that I do.
That's very
It's the
true.
best kind of therapy, you
Oo,
guys.
best kind of therapy, tsaka the best kind of training, the best
Yes.
kind of character building. So parang feeling ko, I will always be open to opportunity.
Yeah.
Tama.
Oo, I will
True.
always be open to
And
opportunity.
if
Oo.
maganda yung audition, ikaw talaga yung, parang ito yung maganda yung play auditionan ko to.
Yeah,
Ikaw,
I will
Doc.
really
exactly.
push for it.
Intentional.
Oo.
Tama.
Ikaw, Doc. Like,
Ako kasi-
ikaw kasi continuous yung work mo eh.
Oo.
Parang hindi siya
Being the
titigil.
oldest on the group.
Wala kami sinabi ha.
oldest pero
Ikaw yung ama.
pinaka-hetero-flexible.
Yes.
Pero ikaw kasi yung yung work talaga na tipong wala, established ka na dito eh. Parang
Yeah.
ito na continuous
Yeah.
to. Hindi
Oo.
na siya choice. Kumbaga, ikaw na yung naka-root
Ikaw yung
dyan.
industriya.
Ikaw na yung industriya dyan.
Oo.
So, do you see it being, this is the way?
Yeah. For
Nakikinig si Javi,
me, for me kasi parang I stumbled into this. Parang everything was by chance or siguro by divine providence. Parang like nag-join lang ako ng workshop tapos nagkataon nandun yung si Tito Odi, and then he invited me to become a part of my first ever production. So, and then from then on, parang nag-snowball na siya. Parang in between I had to stop kasi I had to train. And then after I trained, I went back and doon na tayo naging magkaklase. Tapos from then on, nakabuild na ako ng relationships with other people. So they know me. And then when you audition, they know you. So parang there's a bigger chance that you'll get
Yeah.
cast as
Because they know how you work.
They know how you work. So your work ethic, they know.
Yes.
So parang ganon siya. So tapos from then on, mag-snowball siya. So I think advice sa mga bata, no, sa mga younger generation is with all the opportunities that you have, there are a lot of theater companies na now as compared to when we were
Grabe.
starting na parang
Yes.
ilan lang sila and then ilang shows lang ginagawa nila
Yeah.
in a year.
Mga
di ba?
4 lang
Oo.
ato, tatlo
True.
in
And
a
ngayon
year.
ang dami na, di ba?
Yeah.
So parang if you can do it, then good for you. If you can do it as a full-time job, then why not? Di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And habang, tama nga yung sinabi niyo, habang bata
Bata
ka pa,
pa.
habang kaya pa ng katawan mo, sige, push lang.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yeah.
kaya mo yan. Oo.
Tsaka find the love. Kasi
Oo.
naka-anchor naman tayo lagi sa minamahal natin yung gawa natin. So
Yes.
that works not
Agreed.
just for theater.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi I'm sure your world doesn't revolve around theater as well. You
No,
have
no,
your
no.
work
Yeah,
and your
yeah.
family,
Families,
sustainability.
yeah.
So find the love and there might not be ang ending parang hindi siya dichotomy.
Oo.
Yeah.
It's really
Yun na nga integration.
integration
Oo.
siya eh.
Yeah.
Para I feel na yun yung nakikitang kumbaga walang need to find the balance because the balance
Oo.
is
It will happen naturally
Yeah.
if you love what you're
Yeah.
doing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So parang it will become part of you. It will become part of what you're doing, di ba?
Yeah.
So parang hindi na siya nagiging trabaho eh. Alam mo yun? It's parang it's not work anymore.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's an outlet for you. Kasi minsan pag nasa corporate life ka, nagiging monotonous na siya, nagiging parang alam mo yun, parang
Dito may
nagiging-
meaning ka eh.
nagiging
May
boring
halaga
na
ka.
siya, 'di ba?
Oo.
Parang it's a means of escape for you.
Yeah.
Parang not to be complacent in what you're doing or in your life na parang ganito na lang ba?
Tsaka with
I mean,
theater,
ganun.
you add value to the human experience.
Yes. Agreed.
Totoo naman.
Kaya siya nakaka-addict.
Oo.
Mhm.
Kasi affecting siya eh. Yes.
Oo.
Naalala ko, kasi when I was working in a training company, parang everybody would say na bakit iba nga ang trabaho ng somebody from theater. Tapos I remember, so parang iniisip namin, bakit nga ba? What is it that theater actors have or theater practitioners have? Tapos I remember I was...
Hetero flexibility.
Ay, yun. Yes,
Okay.
hetero
Oo, ngayon,
flexibility.
hetero flexibility.
Empathy.
Game.
And I remember, but I had a conversation with Jaime Del Mundo.
Yeah.
Parang I was asking, Tito, what do you think? What makes it about a theater actor that makes them good or magaling sa ibang environments? Sabi niya, you know what? It's simple. Sabi niya, awareness. Yun ang sabi niya, that's the key. Parang tas natamaan ako na sabi niya, because you have awareness, which is, I believe, what every theater actor is trained to have. Kasi nga, totoo naman eh, pag theater actor ka,
You have to be in the moment.
in the moment,
Yeah.
Kasi
you're aware
maraming
of...
pwedeng mangyari
Oo.
on stage na hindi
You're
mo
aware.
in-expect, na
Problem.
hindi mo.
Tsaka,
And the
nakalimutan
moment.
mo yung
Problems.
lines.
at saka mahilig tayo
Nakalimutan-
magsaluhan.
Yes,
Malaking factor yun sa work.
Tsaka
Oo.
even we're parang awareness of your audience, so
Oo.
which also applies when you're in the corporate world.
Yeah, when you're in a meeting.
Parang
tapos
awareness
hindi
of
na-
your body,
Oo.
parang awareness of others, awareness of parang yun doon sabi ko, okay,
Tsaka
I
hindi
gets.
tayo nanlalaglag. Kasi again, if your
Oo.
castmates
Oo.
Yeah,
jump
yeah.
a
Yes.
page,
Oo.
sige
Pwede
tumalon
ka
siya.
na. Talon ka rin.
Talon ka rin.
Oo. May hindi pumasok.
Ikaw,
Kailangan
artist ka.
Yeah.
Oo.
So
Diba?
awareness
The show
and
must
what
go
to do.
on
eh.
Yes,
Oo.
oo. So parang, wait, bakit ko nga ba sinabi yun?
No, because
What makes it
learning,
different?
yun nga kay Tito Jaime, ano sabi niya?
Na parang yun yung sabi niya sa akin na
Awareness.
ang the key skill that any actor has is awareness. Should have is awareness. So parang iba nga, parang nga tayong parang daw si Spider-Man. Kasi parang ang heightened sense of awareness tayo that we learn when we're in theater.
Stage.
So pagdating mo sa corporate world,
Or in any
environment, ganun nga.
Yeah.
That's what theater actors bring to
time siguro multitasking.
Multitasking.
Kasi,
Parang tsaka yung sense of, yung planning.
oo.
Grabe din ang sense of planning
I mean, it
mo.
may look chaotic, but there are plans.
yes.
in the head.
I mean, we rehearsed for we rehearsed for 2 months for a 3-week show. So
yeah.
planning talaga siya. Okay, so before we end, I think one of the can you share us a memorable moment for you na tipong na-realize nyo na buti na lang I have this dual life?
Pandemic.
Pandemic. Oo.
Oh my God. So when that happened and a lot of productions closed down, and then I could see like mga dati kong co-actors na may mga small businesses. Bibili ako. Kasi like, oh my God. Pinag-usapan namin ito ni Sig. Parang, oh my God, thank goodness may trabaho tayo. Kasi I couldn't imagine myself without anything at the time.
Totoo.
That was so hard. It was so hard to watch my friends go through that. So parang support. I mean, the support is there, pero ang hirap pa rin. Kasi alam mo yun, like, people having to shut down productions na pinaghirapan mo na never got to see the light of day.
Yeah.
Ang sakit. So heartbreaking.
And
So, parang, that's pandemic talaga. That was.
Ano nga ulit yung question? So dual, parang,
what value do you see? Did you find a point in time na tipong
Thank goodness.
thank goodness, like parang I appreciate my dual life. Like hindi lang siya hirap na para sa wala.
I think ako recently nung sa sideshow. Kasi parang sideshow, our show started in July. And ang anniversary din kasi ng Philippine Star is July. So parang nangyari na nagsabay siya talaga. So pagka may anniversary ng Philippine Star, so that means for my section, it's a special issue. So we had like 20 pages,
Oh my
20 pages,
God.
or 18 pages. Tapos at the same time, we were about to go into Tech Week.
Oh,
Tapos,
okay.
tapos naalala ko noon na parang, but ang amazing lang din kasi because I felt so much yung support din ng people from Sideshow. So I was working at the same time but also running, doing runs at the same time. Tapos pero na-close namin yung issue, and then we were parang and also I was able to do the run. So I think yung moment that's memorable for me nung natapos na, nung the day after, tas na-realize ko, oh wow, nagawa. I was parang I was
talaga.
by team sa Philippine Star,
kaya
my team.
naman.
Parang I think that's minsan you're just thankful for those moments na akala mo hindi mo kaya, pero
Because you love
Nagayan.
what you're doing then.
yes,
Exactly.
Yeah, for both.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Doc.
Ako, there's not really one specific, well, probably when I was doing Annie, because that was in Resorts World, so it's not only parang 3 weeks, it's 3 months
Oh, wow.
shows,
Blessed.
diba?
Booked
For the-
and blessed.
Yeah, much
Booked
mula.
and blessed.
Yeah. At saka
We
Newport.
love that.
Newport. So it
Yeah.
was a good production. And plus yung adult cast is supporting lang dun sa mga bata kasi yung mga
So,
bata
sila
yung
talaga
True,
yung,
true,
So,
true,
diba,
true.
Kalma.
Papasok lang kami, kakanta,
Tapos lalabas.
so,
Mr.
marami
Wall,
kaming time.
That's the perfect.
That's the perfect role.
I love
Diba?
that.
So, parang ganon. And then, there were times na parang iniisip ko, lalo na on a weekend, parang, kasi nagtatrabaho ko from Monday to Sunday, di ba? Parang, kaya ko pa ba to? Parang, nakakapagod na siya. Pero in the end, it was rewarding kasi na-accomplish mo siya. Kaya
Yeah.
mo pala.
Yeah.
Oo.
Diba?
Yes.
So, may corporate work ka, tapos may theater work ka pagdating ng weekend or sa gabi or sa hapon. So, gusto mo naman yung ginagawa mo, diba? So,
True.
so hindi siya trabaho.
Yeah.
It's play. Tapos, the cast, the adult cast, we were doing, kasi we had so many free time during during the
saya.
Diba? So, may mga,
Kasi kumakanta
may mga-
sila, sakala!
Bahala kayo,
Kayo,
kids.
Saa.
You can
So
do
may
that.
may series of chronicles yung mga adult cast sa sa backstage.
Ah.
Ano kami.
may gawa-gawa
This
na
was
rin kayo.
before,
Oo,
mga,
yeah.
May
this
mannequin
before.
challenge.
May
Oh,
mannequin
yeah, I
challenge
saw that.
kami.
Kayo,
Tapos,
napanood kayo.
Yung
meron ka-
pinapanood yung nagka-costume change si
si Menchu kasi would run from the stage to go costume change. So every time she
Inaantay
exits, inaantay namin siya. Tapos maraming scenario. Tapos kung ano-ano iniisip nila. Kasi
Yeah, I saw
tumatakbo
those.
siya. May marathon. Naglalagay kami ng tape. Tapos kunyari, siya. "Woo!"
Nanalo
Ganun,
siya.
Oo. So maraming scenario na ginawa. So masaya yung group namin na yon. So that would help you, parang that carries
Get
you through
over the
work,
the pagod.
the pagod eh.
Yeah.
So tapos plus you see the audience, they're kids. They
enjoy it.
They enjoy it. They
Yeah.
sing tomorrow.
Oh.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's a good feeling, di ba?
True.
Yeah.
So, so ibig sabihin, basically, bit-bit mo siya eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
There is joy in both. Pero yun nga, yung reward sa theater, nabibit-bit niya yung energy papunta doon sa corporate work when the corporate work becomes really hard to like
Yeah.
carry.
Yeah.
Pero
Agreed.
since we are ending the show, I would like to
Ay,
give...
ending na?
Oo, te!
Paano yung
Mga
mga hetero
episode ka
flexible?
na.
Sabi ko na. Pero let's give time to promote Pinky Ann kasi ito lang ata yung may show.
Wala tong bas-bas design.
Sige, go.
Go.
Walang bas-bas design.
Kasi, ano ba?
Go, sige.
Actually, ang ipopromote ko is more for people to
Support Philippine Theater.
Philippine Theater, definitely. And also, parang subscribe to Philippine Star or parang any
Oh, wow.
all
Online,
publications. So,
digital.
kasi parang ako ang pinupush actually marami sa generation ko, parang we ended up in media.
Yeah.
And we really want to push na, parang definitely in this day and age of social media, we want to push parang please follow yung mga, the publications. Support media also. Kasi
All forms of media, especially yung mga...
yung mga, like, yung mga created news, na yung parang sources of real news. So,
hindi fake news,
and
real news.
Real news kasi I know print is something that is newspapers are
obsolete na.
parang difficult, pero definitely for most publications now meron ng e-paper. So you definitely can subscribe. So
Yes.
Philippine Star, we have an e-paper. So parang even publications and news outlets are adapting to
Yes,
this age. And so
Pero I still buy the
yes,
paper, ha? Kasi
ako din, I love the
because
paper.
I do crosswords.
I save the trees.
Yes, the trees. Pero
Virtue signal.
yun ako, yun ang
Pinupush
pinopromote
mo.
ko,
Ikaw,
pinupush ko.
promote mo ba ang Marie France?
Promote ko lang Marie France. We have this new machine
Self-care.
called Wonder Axon. So it's a very, very nice machine. It's top of the line. It's like getting 60,000 crunches. Oo.
Totoo
Per
nga?
day. Oo.
60,000
60,000 contractions in your muscles in 6 different muscle groups.
And then what
For
happens?
not only for hetero-flexible, but for everyone.
True. Okay, finally.
Okay.
Promotion,
please,
Pinky
please,
Ann.
please.
Sai, sorry ha.
Hindi pala
So we're
prepared.
So currently running Pinky Ann isang musikal at the CCP Tanghalang Ignacio Jimenez. Shows run Fridays to Sundays. Fridays 8 p.m. Saturdays 3 p.m. 8 p.m. Sundays 3 p.m. There are some Sundays na pili na may 8 p.m. din. If you want information on tickets and other details, please go to the Tanghalang Pilipino Facebook page. And please come watch us.
Please watch.
Yes,
please
best
watch.
musical.
Amazing.
Huh?
Headlined by
Headlined by the award-winning Gawad Buhay Best Actor Vic Robinson,
Yoo-hoo!
who you'll see in the previous episode.
Yes.
2 episodes before.
Oo.
Basta, one
Well,
episode.
best musical din kayo.
Oh yeah,
So,
best musical pala po kami.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, congratulations. At dahil dyan, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
sa lahat ng mga
Thank you,
nanonood.
Jello.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Tinil.
Jello.
Maraming
Podcast.
salamat.
Can we just say na parang this is such a good idea to support Philippine theater in a different way?
Yes.
Yes.
So, yes. Congratulations,
Yes.
ma'am.
Amazing.
So proud.
Thank you.
Mag-donate po kayo.
Yeah,
Mag-donate
sponsors,
po.
please.
Sponsors.
Oh, maglalabas ako ng
sponsors.
Patreon, guys. Legit. Kasi kailangan
All
na
you
ng pera.
hetero-flexible and all you out there.
Alright. Paalam, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Hima Loves.
I miss you guys.
Bye, Hima Loves.